Yes, 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 yes. Yeah, good evening, everyone. Yeah, good evening, good evening. Yeah, might be your lunch has digested, right? I, hello? Yes or no? Yes, yes. I'm hungry, Ankit. It's time for snacks, right? Yeah, it's time for snacks, right? Yeah, let it be, ma'am. Yeah. See. Okay. See, let me ask one thing. Why we are teaching like this, or why we are interacting like this? See, the actual micro teaching was to be held in our class, or right? In our campus, right? But why we are teaching like this? This is my question. Pandemic, Corona, and Rishikesh, are you there? Femina, are you there? Ishrat, Kirti, are you there? Hello. No one else except you. Then reply. Are you having your coffee or what? Yeah. Give us also. Yeah, it's time for snacks. Yeah, see, why we are teaching like this, micro teaching? Actual micro teaching was to be held in our campus, right? Why we are teaching like this? Except those who have told the answer, you can reply. Yes. Pandemic. And Femina, you don't have any answer? Why we are teaching like this? It's a general question, right? You are wasting time. Just say anything. Yeah, see, Corona pandemic is a disease, right? Am I right or not? That's right. Yeah, generally we face many diseases, right? In our day-to-day life, we'll see. Yes, right. Today we are going to discuss the modes of transmission of diseases, right? Yesterday we have discussed about what is disease and how it occurs and what measures to be taken to prevent the diseases, right? Hello. Yes or no? Yes. Today we are going to learn about modes of transmission of disease. What is transmission, by the way? Transmission is a method or is a process where a disease from one person to other person, from one thing to other person, from one animal to another animal, it transmits. The disease is transmitted from one person to another person. It's called transmission. Today we are going to learn what are the modes. What are the modes of transmission of disease? Okay? Yes or no? Can you hear me? Yeah. Generally, the modes of transmission is generally divided into two types. Can you guess what are they? Yeah. Okay. But generally, the modes of transmission is divided into two. That is direct, and second one is indirect mode of transmission. Okay. See, let me ask one thing. What is disease? What is disease? Yes. Yeah, the disorder of the function or structure of our bodies, right? Of our body, right? Hello. Yeah. The disease of transmission or the modes of transmission of disease is divided into two types. The first one is direct and the second one is indirect. In direct method, what is mean by direct method of transmission of disease means generally that here a word called pathogen enters. You know what are pathogens? Disease causing organisms, right? Hello. Can you hear me? Yeah, this is causing organisms will directly or transmitted from person to person. Generally, it is transmitted from person to other person. Okay. Or we can say the infected person to other person, or the infected animal to another infected animal, or infected plant to another infected plant. Am I right? Hello? Can you hear me? Yeah. What about indirect? Indirect means the transfer of pathogen. Either it may be any way apart from the person. It may travel from by air, by water, any other means. By that, if the pathogen enters from one person to other person, by any means is called indirect method of transmission of disease. Okay, I'll generally, yeah, today we are going to learn about only the direct method of direct method. As we have discussed what is mean by direct method, in this direct method there are four types. The first one is person to person. See, we have discussed what is direct method, right? The or the infected person or infected organism or infected person is directly transferring the disease to the other organism, right? Here the first one is person to person or the organism to organism. Disease might occur in plants, animals, any other, right? Hello? Yeah. For first one, person to person means generally the disease occurs, the diseases like AIDS and HIV are transmitted from person to person, right? For example, when a AIDS mother or AIDS HIV mother is given birth to a baby, he also has HIV, right? Hello? In most cases, right? This type of transmission is called as what? Hello? Is direct person to person, right? And the second one is droplet transmission, and the third one is spread through skin, and the fourth one is through blood. See, the first one we have talked about the person and person to person. What about the droplet transmission? See, generally in rainy season we will get like cold, right? What is the bacteria or what is the organism which causes in the flu? Can anyone? Virus name called influenza virus, right? Yeah. The flu is generally caused by influenza virus, right? If the person infected with influenza virus, if he coughs the droplets come out of his mouth, right? That's why we generally use handkerchief, right? The droplets which are coming from the infected person has reached to the other person by droplets is called droplet transmission. Spread through skin. This is also a type. Generally, by skin there are many diseases which are also transmitted through skin, right? Like scabies, like ringworm. Yes or no? These are also transmitted through skin. And the last one, this through blood. Blood also, few diseases are transmitted, right? The, can you say any examples of blood by which blood HIV? The best example is HIV. Through blood, the HIV transmitted from one person to other person. That's why a care is taken in hospitals, right? Yeah, this is what I want to explain today, the direct method. And tomorrow class we are going to learn about the indirect method. I will show you few pictures of direct. And what another one? What was the another one? Yeah, I'll show you the why it is not sharing. Yeah. Can you see the screen what I'm sharing? Hmm. Yeah, these are the photos. What happened to this? Will it show or not? Oh my goodness. Okay, you are seeing everything. Yeah. Types of disease transmission, right? Direct transmission by air, indirect contact, food, insect, and rabbit. The few diseases are transmitted through animals also to human beings. These are infectious disease transmission by blood, inhalation, ingestion, sexual intercourse, animals. Okay. Yeah, I was said like droplet spread, right? The person to person contact also. To through handshake, touching also it occurs. Yeah, these are all about mine. Oh my God. Yeah, this is what about my presentation. Thank you for your